Hey guys, how's it going today? Mike with A&M. Today we are going to clean up an old medical center, so we don't know what we're gonna get, but we're basically just gonna go there, show you everything that's there, and then we're gonna show us cleaning it all up, and then I'm gonna go over to the property afterwards and show you everything good we got. So that's what today's video is about, so let's get into it. All right guys, we're back at the property and I'm gonna show you everything we got from this job. They had about 15 mattresses there, and they originally told me they had 5 mattresses, so we had to correct the price because they actually charge $10 per mattress to dispose of them. So instead of taking them to the dump and paying that $10, I'm gonna wait till the other dumps open tomorrow and just get rid of them that way. That's the only reason I brought them back to the property, just because that's 120 bucks sitting there. But here's some good things we got from this job. Wash machine, couple of them right there. I got a guy who will buy those for 25 bucks each. We got a couple walkers here. I have no idea what those are worth, but I'm guessing at least 20 bucks. Just clean them up a little bit. This stuff was sitting outside, so it got real dirty. We got these 3 filing cabinets. Those things brand new are 150 bucks, but we'll try to at least get 50 bucks each for those. And then over here, we got all this wicker furniture that actually looks like it's in really good shape. It's real heavy. So I don't know what we can sell that for, maybe 20 bucks each chair or something like that. And then over here we got these wheelchairs, which it's kind of hard to sell medical stuff online, but I think we could at least get 25 bucks each for those. So overall, a pretty good job. It took us about 2 hours total, and we had to dump one time in between. But yeah, so that's pretty much all we got from that job. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time.